Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Amya. In this video, we will be discussing about 3D travel techniques. Now, what is 3D travel? 3D travel is the heart of how we navigate in virtual worlds. Unlike traditional 2D interfaces, where movement is confined in two directions, that is left, right, up and down, 3D travel allows us to explore virtual spaces in all directions, up, down, forward and backward, just like a real world. This kind of movement transforms how we interact with virtual environments, making virtual experiences more immersive and engaging. Importance of 3D travel techniques is about travel is becoming making more common and universal, and travel is generally supported with other tasks. Now, why 3D travel is important? Whether you are playing a game or exploring a virtual city or working on virtual prototype, moving around effectively is an essential task. Without travel techniques, navigating through these environments can feel disorienting or frustrating. Now let's talk about three main types of 3D travel tasks that defines how user interact with virtual environment. It is exploration, search, and maneuvering. We'll be looking in all three in detail one by one. So first one is exploration. Exploration is the most basic form of travel. It's when you move through a space with no specific goal in mind. You are simply gathering information, learning the environment, and building an understanding of what is around you. Imagine you are exploring an ancient temple or a mountain in a VR environment. So you don't have to be a specific go to the specific destination, but you are wandering around, taking in the surrounding, examining the architecture or a nature, and learning about that specific space. You're basically trying to build up the knowledge of a space around you. That is what the exploration is. When we talk about search, which is more goal oriented, in this task you have to have exactly where you're looking for, and your objective is to find and reach that location. There are two kinds of search tasks, that is naive search, where you don't know where the target is and need to discover it. And there is a primed search where you either seen the target before or have a rough idea where it is located. So it is basically going from point A to point B. For an instance, in VR simulation for engineers, you might be tasked with finding a specific tool in a virtual workshop. If you have used that tool before, you know where that tool is and how it looks like. So this will come under primed search. Coming to the last type of travel, that is maneuvering, which basically involves a small precise movements in a confined area. This is a kind of task where you need to adjust your positions or viewpoints to complete a specific action specified. Think of it like adjusting your view while designing a virtual car. You might need to move slightly in different directions to inspect how two parts fit together. It's not about large scale travel, it's about the precision movement what you are targeting. So, this is what three types of virtual interaction in terms of travel you can do, that is exploration, search, and maneuvering. This is all about this video where we discussed about introduction to 3D travel tasks. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel And keep following this playlist for more videos on ARVR in automobiles. Thank you for joining.